Today, I like to give the presentation of human following robot using Arduino UNO presented by Manikanta HJ, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Bahubali College of Engineering, Shravanam. Content of the project: Introduction, Scope, Objectives, Methodology, Hardware and Software Requirement, Advantages, Result Expected, and References. Introduction of the project. In this high technology, a robot must be able to detect and follow the human. A robot that able to detect and follow is called human following robot. The robot needs a mechanism which can make decision for it to take action accordingly so that the task can be performed correctly. The involved mechanism is sensor that can detect obstacles or object around the robot itself. In this project, ultrasonic sensor is used. Ultrasonic sensor is a device that able to measure the distance to an obstacle by using sound waves. Scope of the project. Human following robots are currently being used in a number of areas in our world today. Determine the distance from detected person and navigating with respect to the target person. Objectives of the project: to study the implementation of human following robot, to develop a robot that can help humans with various tasks. Methodology: block diagram of the human following robot. Arduino motor driver connected to the motor 1, motor 2, motor 3, motor 4 servo motor, and given to the input power supply, ultrasonic sensor, IR sensor 1 and IR sensor 2. How the whole system works, we'll talk about this. When I am put my hand in front of the ultrasonic sensor, then the sensor detect me and send some information to Arduino. My hand is away from the sensor, it will not read that, and my hand is near to the sensor, it will read it. And Arduino sends the some instruction to the motor driver. Motor driver trigger the motors, and Arduino robot starts to move forward. And IR sensor is detect the near object. Two IR sensor, one is left and another one is right sensor. When anything comes near to the left sensor, Arduino got something is near to the left sensor. Anything comes near to the right sensor, Arduino got the something is near to the right sensor and send the instruction to the motor driver. Hardware and software requirement. Hardware requirement: Arduino UNO, IR sensor, ultrasonic sensor, servo motor, motor driver shield, TT gear motor. Software requirement: Arduino IDE. Arduino UNO. Arduino UNO is a microcontroller board on Atmega 328P. It has 14 digital input-output pins, 6 analog input pins. IR sensor. Proximity sensor is used to detect objects and obstacles in front of sensor. Digital low output on detecting object in front. Ultrasonic sensor. An ultrasonic sensor measures the distance of a target object by emitting ultrasonic sound waves. For ultrasonic sensor range is 40 to 70 kHz. Servo motor. Micro servo motor is a tiny and lightweight servo motor with high output power. Servo can rotate approximately 180 degree. Motor driver shield. Motor allows you to use Arduino to control the working speed and direction of the motor. The motor driver shield can control 4 servos at once. TT gear motor is a component whose mechanism adjusts the speed of the motor. Arduino IDE. The Arduino IDE supports the language C and C++ using special rules of code structuring. The Arduino IDE supplies a software library from the wiring project which provides many common input and output procedures. Advantages: increase production, more accurate than humans, reduce wastage, time saving, can work 24 into 7. Expected result: implementation of human following robot which helps human in various tasks could be studied. References. Thank you.